We'll guide you through how to make a collage for Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm covering two different methods in this video. For the first method, come to your Facebook homepage and click on what's on your mind so we can start creating a post. What you need to do is click on photo/video like so, and go and select the photos you want to go and make your collage with. So I'll go and select them now. What you need to do is go and select the check mark in the top right of each box and then go and press done like so. You'll go and see the photos here, but what you can do is click on choose layout at the bottom or in the top left, and you can then choose how they look. As you can see, we've got these different options here. Then what you can do is go and add some text as well, and you can then click post, and there it is. And then what you can do is go and click on the photos, and you can then go and look through them normally as well as having the collage. However, if you want to go make a collage with a little bit more customizability, then go and open up the App Store and go and search for an app called Layout from Instagram. Then go and click on open, and then what you can do is select the photos you want to go and make the collage with. After you've selected them, you can then go and see the different layouts at the top here. So for example, let me go and select this one here. Now what you can do is go and select the photo, and when you select one of them, you'll go and see the blue bars appear. And then what you can do is click on the side, and you can then use these bars to go and adjust the photo, as you can see. So make the adjustments to how you want it to be. And at the bottom, you've got a few options as well. You can click on borders, for example, and you can do lots of different things with it. Once you're finished, click on save in the top right, and then what you can do is go and click on Facebook, and you can then click on feed, story or groups. I want feed, and you can then go and post it. You can say something about it. Then once you've finished, click on post in the top right. It's now finished, and when I come back to Facebook like so, I'll go and refresh it, and it should then go and appear like so. As you can see though, here you can't then go and expand the photos, it's just one image. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.